Are you running a WooCommerce store and struggling to turn visitors into paid customers? What if I told you there's a simple way to boost conversions, increase your average order value, and build better sales funnels all inside WooCommerce? In this video, I will show you step by step how to use CartFlows to skyrocket your WooCommerce sales, even if you're not a tech expert. Let's dive in. First off, what is CartFlows? CartFlows is a powerful funnel builder that works directly with WooCommerce. Think of it as your sales funnel toolkit. It helps you design custom checkout pages, upsells, downsells, order bumps, and thank you pages that actually convert. Instead of sending people through the same boring WooCommerce checkout, CartFlows lets you create a strategic buying experience that maximizes revenue. It's like turning your simple WooCommerce store into a sales machine. Now, why do you need CartFlows? Why do so many users love it? First off, optimize checkout pages. Reduce the clunky default checkout with a clean conversion optimized one. Next, order bumps. Offer quick add-ons right before checkout. A simple upsell can boost your average order value instantly. One-click upsells or downsells. After checkout, offer a one-click upgrade or a discount offer. No re-entering payment info. Fourth, drag and drop templates. Use beautiful pre-built templates or design your own with Elementor. And fifth, analytics and tracking. See which funnels are performing best so you can keep optimizing. And if you want to check out CartFlows today, make sure to use the link in the description and get a special discount. Now, how do we set up CartFlows step by step and really work on improving those WooCommerce sales? Let's get started. So here's how to set up your first CartFlow in WooCommerce. First off, go to your WordPress dashboard, plugins, add new, and search for CartFlows to install and activate, or download it using the link below. Once you activate it, you can go to CartFlows, Flows, and add new. You can choose a pre-made template that matches your product type. For example, a single product funnel or a lead generation funnel. The third step is to customize it. So you will see steps like landing page, checkout page, upsell page, and thank you page. You can edit using your page builder, change text, images, and layout to match your brand. Then you can enable order bumps or upsells. So under the checkout step, you can add order bump, a small extra product offered before checkout. Then add a one-click upsell step to offer a premium version or complimentary product. The fifth step is to connect payment gateways. So CartFlows integrates seamlessly with WooCommerce payment gateways like Stripe, PayPal, or Razorpay. And then you can test your funnel. So use test mode to simulate the full customer journey. From landing page to thank you page, make sure that everything flows smoothly. So by using CartFlows, you are going to turn your boring WooCommerce store, the generic store that every WordPress user gets, into a really well-branded, customized website for your brand. Your customers will appreciate you branding your checkout page, your cart page, the upsells, and everything else that CartFlows lets you do. So I highly recommend using the link below to try it out for yourself. Now, here are a few pro tips that will help you get the most out of CartFlows. First off, use urgency. Add countdown timers or limited time offers on your checkout pages. Next, leverage testimonials. Add customer reviews to your landing and checkout pages for trust. Third one is to A/B test your flows. That means try different headlines, pricing structures, and call to action buttons to see what converts best. And then offer free shipping thresholds. Encourage customers to spend a bit more to qualify for free shipping. So there you go. This is exactly how you can use CartFlows to boost your WooCommerce sale by creating smarter, high-converting funnels that turns browsers into customers. That being said, make sure to check out CartFlows at the link in the description and in the pinned comment. If you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!